Hi, welcome to the AI empire. Like and share. By 2025, millions of jobs will be gone because of AI. But what if you could use AI to make 10 lakh rupees per month instead of losing your job? Today, I'll show you 3 AI tools that can literally replace your 9-5 job and make you rich. Tool number 1. ChatGPT. What it does: writes blogs, ebooks, and copy in seconds. Sell AI-written ebooks on Amazon. Offer content writing services. Create AI-powered YouTube channels. Moving on. Tool number 2. Synthesia.io, AI video creation. 1. What it does: creates faceless videos without your voice or face. Start faceless YouTube channels. Create video ads for businesses. Build an AI video agency. The third tool is tool number 3. Midjourney, AI image generator. What it does: create stunning AI art and graphics. Sell AI art on Etsy. Offer AI-generated content services. Sell AI-generated posters on Amazon. These 3 tools can help you maximize your side hustle. It's incredible how much of our life we spend on the internet. Might as well start earning through it. The people who use AI now will become rich. Those who don't will get left behind. Subscribe for more money-making AI tools.